Assalamualaikum. My name is Kashiful Khair and I am from BS Chemistry Department. Today my topic of presentation is 5 named reaction. A named reaction is a chemical reaction named after its discovery. The naming is done after historical reason because of probation in practice or mnemonic specific benefits associated with naming. Knowledge of individual names reactions are particularly useful for understanding reaction mechanism and for planning of organic synthesis. Here there are some examples of 5 named reaction. First reaction is Boltzmann-Schwarzman reaction. The basic reactants are aromatic amines, nitrous acid and fluoroboric acid. Aromatic amines undergoes diazotization under the influence of nitrous acid. Fluorocarbic acid is now added to give rise to the corresponding aryl diazonium salt. Now this aryl diazonium salt is subjected to heat to undergo thermal decomposition and give the fluoride along with nitrogen and boron trifluoride. If we will see towards its mechanism, it's very simple. First step is the formation of nitrosyl cations by the dehydration of nitrous acid. Second step is aryl amine exposed to nitrosyl cations after undergoing dehydration and the aryl amine yields the aryl diazonium salt. And the step 3 is addition of fluoroboric acid to the aryl diazonium salt and the subsequent addition of energy finally gives aryl fluoride via a diazonium tetrafluoroborate intermediate stage. The step-by-step process of Boltzmann-Schwarzman reaction mechanism is illustrated as following. The next is Apple reaction. Apple reaction is an organic reaction that converts an alcohol into an alkyl chloride using triphenyl phosphorine and carbon tetrachloride. Now let's see towards the mechanism of Apple reaction. The Apple reaction begins with the formation of the phosphorinium salt, which is throughout to exist as a tight iron pair with and therefore is unable to undergo an alpha elimination to give dichlorocarbon. A deprotonation of the alcohol forming chloroform yields an alk oxide. The nucleophilic displacement of the chloride by the alkoxide yields intermediate with primary and secondary alcohols. The halide reacts in an SN2 process forming the alkyl halides and the triphenyl phosphine oxide. Tertiary alcohols from the products via SN1 mechanism. The driving force behind this and similar reactants is the formation of the strong double bond. The reaction is somewhat similar to the Mies-Sunubio reaction, where the combination of an organ phosphorine as an oxide acceptor. If we see towards its mechanism, it's very simple. Analysis of the mechanism is complicated by the lability of copper reagents and the multi-components nature of the reaction. The reaction proceeds via the formation of copper aryl complexes. A copper aryl alkoxide or copper aryl amide intermediate undergoes reductive elimination is given to aryl ether or an aryl amine respectively. Here, this is the mechanism of Chan-Lamb coupling reaction. The next reaction is blank reaction. The blank reaction is the chemical reaction of aromatic rings with formaldehyde and hydrogen chloride catalyzed by zinc chloride or other Lewis acid to form chloromethylene arenes. The reaction was discovered by Gustav Lenz Blank. It produced highly carcinogenic bis ethers as byproducts. The mechanism and the scope of blank reaction is as follows. The reaction is carried out under acidic condition with a zinc chloride catalyst. These conditions protonate the formaldehyde carbonyl, making the carbon much more electrophilic. The aldehyde is then attacked by the aromatic pi electrons, followed by re-aromatization of the aromatic rings. The benzyl alcohol thus formed is quickly converted to the chloride under the reaction conditions. The next reaction is Suzuki coupling. The Suzuki reaction is an organic reaction classified as cross-coupling reaction where the coupling partners are a boronic acid and an organohalide catalyzed by a palladium complex. It was first published in 1979 by Akira Suzuki and he shared the 2010th Nobel Prize in Chemistry with Richard Ford F. Heck and E. Ichi Nagish for their effort for discovery and development of palladium catalyzed cross coupling in organic synthesis. In many publications, this reaction also goes by the name Suzuki-Maillard reaction and also referred to as Suzuki coupling reaction. It is widely used to synthesize polyolefin systems and substituted biphenyls. Several reviews have been published describing advancement and the development of Suzuki coupling reaction. The mechanism of Suzuki coupling reaction is best viewed from the perspective of the palladium catalyst. The first step is the oxidative addition of palladium to the halide to form organopalladium species. The reaction with base gives intermediate with via transmutation with the boron 8 complex produced by reaction of the boronic acid with base from the organopalladium species. Reductive elimination of the desired product restores the original palladium catalyst, which completes the catalytic cycle. The Suzuki coupling takes place in the presence of a base, and for a long time the role of the base was not fully understood. The base was first believed to form a trialkyl borate in the case of a reaction of an trialkyl boron and alk oxide. This species could be considered as being more nucleophilic and more reactive towards the palladium complex present in the transmutation step. The next is benzoic acid rearrangement. The benzoic acid rearrangement is formally the rearrangement reactions of 1,2-diketones into alpha hydroxy carboxylic acid using the base. This reaction receives its names from the reaction of benzyl with potassium hydroxide to form benzoic acid. The mechanism of this reaction is the reaction is representative of 1,2 rearrangement. The long established reactions mechanism was first proposed by its entirely by Christopher Kling, and its mechanism is as we can see, a hydroxide anion attacks one of the ketone group in a nucleophilic addition to form the alk oxide 2. The next step requires a bond rotation to conformal, which places the migrating group R in the position for attack on the second carbonyl group in the concentrated step. The migrating R group attacks the alpha carbonyl group, forming another alk oxide with a concomitant formation of keto group at the other carbon. The migration step is rate determining step. This sequence resembles a nucleophilic alkyl substitution reaction. Here, this is the shortest explanation of 5 named reactions. Hence, they are broad in numbers. And this is from my side. Thank you very much.